talk on Inner Awakening on 19th August 2008, 7:30 p.m. by Honorable Dr. R.K. A workshop on Inner Awakening at Yukon University, City, USA.
Jai Gurudev. I want to share my experiences, which started as a student of chemistry in Benares Hindu University, and later I did my post-graduation in chemistry, especially physical chemistry, and then I did my physical chemistry specialization as electrochemistry PhD, and then I became a reader and professor in chemistry in Andhra Pradesh because Param Pujya Gurudev, and when I say Param Pujya Gurudev, I always mean Yugadrashta, Taponishta, Vedamurti, Param Pujya Gurudev, in whom and with whom. I'm using the words very carefully. In whom and with whom. In whom is inner awakening of his. And with him I could get the flame, the light of inner awakening. So in whom and with whom I learned this knowledge in 1971, 18th June evening 4:30. I am continuing. As a lecturer, I used to tell my students in post-graduation when I was teaching them the physical biochemistry. I am not talking the biochemistry of it, the physical biochemistry. So what fundamentally we have to be very clear is, we should forget the word spiritualism. We should forget the word materialism, because these two words nowadays are almost 180 degrees away from each other. Materialists think the spiritualists are fanatics, and spiritualists say that materialists are fanatics. And when I say fanatics, it means they are steady on their thinking. I am not talking in the negative way, I am talking in their stubbornness. So, the fundamental thing which we have to know is, there is a union, a yoga, a relationship between materialism and spiritualism, and that relationship is nothing new to us. It is our life. The material body is active with some consciousness which thinks, some consciousness where thoughts become emotions. So, entire spiritualism is the science of living, the laws of living. That is how we should now look towards spiritualism. And now we are away from life. We don't know how to live. What we are doing as a service, whether it is a political field of service, or a business field of service, or a scientific field of service, or an actor, or a fine art field of service, or a teaching field of service, you please remember these five. These are five fields of services which we do. Either it is a political service, through politics, or through business, or through science, or through fine arts and acting, what we call the Bollywood and Hollywood centers, and then the teachers. But these five are now away from life. This is what we have to understand, and this is the first thing, the greatest thing that Param Pujya Gurudev has given is the relationship of these five with five elements. All of us, those who are interested in this field, know that we are made up of five elements. The life is made up of five elements. What in Sanskrit we say, it is made up of five tattvas. The Prithvi, the earth principle. And remember, I am not saying the earth, I am not saying about the matter. I am saying the principle of earth. You should understand the difference. Out of earth principle, everything solid and material comes in the world. It is the basis. Like electricity is the principle, and all these machines are the product of electricity. Whether it is a mic, or a fan, or a fridge, or a computer, and probably whatever is going to come as a recent discovery or latter discoveries. So all these are based on the electric principle. And the products, the matter, is the product of electric principle. Therefore, when you want to understand life, you should understand that the element earth is electricity itself. That is the jump we have to take, the science we have to understand. Because matter is made up of atoms, and atom is nothing but a positive and negative electron. A nucleus with positive energy and electrons running around it. All our body is made up of positive and negative atoms, molecules, and we say about the hormones, the neuron transmitters, or whatever you call it.